Hi children, how are you all? I hope all are fine. So this year there is no change in our grammar book and literature book. They are grammatics and Mulberry. So we are going to start our first lesson from grammatics book. Our first lesson is about the sentence. What is a sentence? You already learnt in 3rd class. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that conveys a complete sense or a meaning. A sentence is a group of words that conveys a complete sense or meaning. It has many important characteristics are there. First one, it is a sentence must always begin with a capital letter. Here some example is given here. He is a good sportsman. Here the first letter H is in capital letter. Second point is the words in a sentence must be in a certain order so as to make complete sense. It has a sentence has a particular order. If there is no order, then we can't get a meaningful sentence. So a sentence has certain order should be there. Third point is punctuation marks such as full stop, question mark, exclamation mark must end a sentence. After each sentence we have to put a correct punctuation mark according to the sentence. Example is given here. He is a good sportsman. Here at the end we put full stop, and the second sentence close the door. Here is also at the last we put full stop. Third one, which is your favorite color? Here after the sentence we put question mark. Last one, how lovely the sunset is. Here we put exclamation mark. According to the sentence we have to put the correct punctuation mark. Now there are 4 types of sentences are there. Which are they? They are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence. These are the different kinds of sentences. So once again, there are 4 kinds of sentences are there. They are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence. Now what is an assertive sentence? An assertive sentence is a simple statement sentence. An assertive sentence expresses a statement to tell a fact. An assertive sentence expresses a statement to tell a fact. It's a simple statement sentence. Like he has a good memory. He has a good memory. The sun rises in the east. The flower is very beautiful. These are simple statements. That's why it is an assertive sentences. So after the assertive sentence we have to put full stop. Now next kind of sentence is interrogative sentence. What is an interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence asks a question to us. Ask a question. So that we have to put question mark after the sentence. Some examples are given there. Where do you live? Where do you live? Who gave you that book? Which of these boys is your brother? These are the examples for interrogative sentence. We have to start with capital letter and end with a question mark. Now third type of sentence is exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling. Our sudden feelings we can show through this exclamatory sentence. And an exclamatory sentence always end with an exclamation mark. Which is the exclamation mark? This is the exclamation mark. Now some examples are given here for exclamatory sentence. What a lovely garden it is. How well she dances. What a good idea. These are some examples for exclamatory sentences. Now we are going to the last sentence, that is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence expresses an order or a request. An imperative sentence expresses an order or a request. This one very important for imperative sentence. An order or a request. So we have to identify the sentence is order or a request. So an imperative sentence always end with a full stop like assertive sentence. Like assertive sentence, imperative sentence also end with a full stop. Now some examples are given there for imperative sentence. Open the window. This is an order. Do your work. This also order. Please come here. This is a request. So these are some examples for imperative sentences. So this is the lesson. Now once again I am reminding you, our lesson is the sentence. A sentence is a group of words that conveys a complete sense or meaning. It is having different kinds of characteristics. First one, it is a sentence must always begin with capital letter. Second one, the words in a sentence must be in a certain order so as to make complete sense. Third point is punctuation marks such as full stop, question mark or exclamation mark must end a sentence. Now kinds of sentence, there are 4 kinds of sentences are there. First one assertive sentence, second one interrogative sentence, third one exclamatory sentence and fourth one imperative sentence.